Hi everybody, and welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you how to prevent your SAMSUNG Galaxy S25 FE from overheating and keep your phone cool. So actually the S25 FE is already cool, nice joke, but to keep the phone cool and prevent overheating is more complex. At first we need to open the settings of our phone and here scroll down till we see the device care over here. Here scroll down till you see the performance profile and select light. Prioritizes battery life and cooling efficiency over processing speed. Select this and now we can go further. Now if you tap this, as you can see, square button over here, we have all applications running right now. Let me open a couple of them. And here, as you can see, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. If you tap close all, every single application will be closed now. That means that many applications or games that run simultaneously now will be killed. I mean, the process will be killed and the heating of the GPU and CPU will be terminated. The next thing I can show you is that you can scroll down from the control panel here, from the top right corner to the middle of your phone. You can see a lot of options that we have here. For example, if you are using Wi-Fi now, if you are not using Wi-Fi, you can disable Wi-Fi over here. If you are not using Bluetooth, disable Bluetooth over here, made gray. If you are not using location services, turn off the location services. If you are not using mobile data, disable mobile data. These options as you can see here and here, and here if you have the NFC running, disable the NFC. If you don't see these icons here, tap this pen icon over here, tap edit, and here now search in the available buttons for these options. Then drag them here, and then now you can manage your things. Now let's go further. Let's open back the system settings and scroll down again to the device care. This option has been renamed from the battery and device care to only device care, so that's why I confuse these options. Here now we have to tap this option. Where was that? Memory, and here tap optimize now, clean now. As you can see now, we have 1 GB free of RAM and we kill the abnormal background processes, and it should cool your device. Pardon me. Now, as you can see, if we scroll down and tap Diagnostics, as you can see, disable Wi-Fi, so let me enable Wi-Fi now. And here, if we tap Diagnostics, we can find the app causing unusually high battery usage that might be running inefficiently and heating the device. Apart from that, we can diagnose our phone for many errors, for example, charging errors or something like that. Here, as you can see, app battery usage diagnostics, and here no app is detected using too much battery. And actually that's great for us. But if you here have some applications, uninstall them. Apart from that, let's go back to the settings, and my tip from me to you is to keep your phone updated to the latest versions. Here, software update, download and install. If you don't have the latest version now, keep your phone and install the software version, the latest one. It should help you because Samsung often issues updates to improve the thermal management in your phone. So install any available patches that might optimize cooling control. I do recommend doing so because I did, and now my phone performs very nice. Apart from that, now more talking about your cooling your phone. If your phone feels hot, stop usage and let it rest. Remove any case, as you can see I don't, to temporarily let heat dissipate. Using the phone in a cooler environment and not in the direct sun also helps. I do remind you that Samsung specs actually allows up to 45 degrees Celsius before it's considered an issue per support. So warm is normal, but hot should be addressed. So yes, recently when I were in the motor show, I used my iPhone and I was recording in the 4K 120 FPS, and my phone was that heat and lagged, and it was just terrible. The same is with the Galaxy S25 FE. Stop usage when you are using the camera too much on 4K resolution. If you are calling someone, if you're playing games, stop using your phone for a moment. You don't have to use your phone 24/7, so yes. And adjusting these settings, after adjusting these settings, if you are using these applications, your phone should stay cooler. And actually, that's it for this video. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leave a like on this video. It's very important to us to have your feedback. If you have any questions or drawbacks, let me know in the comments below. And that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.